This is Nick with Top Automotive again. I just want to kind of go over certain things I hate about Ferrari, and in general, not only Ferrari, Lamborghini as well, but I'm going to pick at this one since we have it in the shop. My number one annoyance with these cars is ever since the beginning of time, when Ferrari started making these, they used a very annoying rubbery plastic type of finish on their buttons. I want to show you what I'm talking about. So if we open the door here, it has, everything is coated with this paint and it sticks to your fingers. That's just a really annoying problem they've had since, like the beginning of time. I don't know why they don't fix it. These buttons are starting to get the stickiness now. This car only has 6,800 miles. It's a new vehicle pretty much. Kept in the garage, cleaned properly, used the proper chemicals to clean it, so it's not like the guy was just wiping it down with alcohol or something. So we get inside here. I mean, it's beautiful. You can see the seats pretty much never been sat in. You take these little vents, and they're sticking too. I mean, they're not bad, but they're getting bad. Same thing here, same thing over here. We actually removed already the stereo buttons, and we already refinished them because they were just sticky, and the customer just did not like it. And he said, hey, what can you guys do? So same thing goes for everything else. Everything on the button-wise is still okay. It's just starting to stick here, there. Another big problem I don't like is the interior is beautiful, as you can see. I mean, look how beautiful this interior is. But look at this. If you actually take the steering wheel, this does not match up on center. And here's the center, and that's cocked. See where they have the opening for the sewed two halves of the leather? It's not on center. That's annoying. When you're driving, this thing is to the side. It's almost like 11:30, at 11:30 pretty much point. Another problem I don't like on all Ferraris is the fit and finish. The finish is beautiful, but the fit is not. When you're driving, you can hear like a creaking sound in the dash, and that's a common issue. You have to take the dash apart. There's probably a wiring loom that hasn't been taped or glued. That's a pretty annoying problem. You have a car that's $400,000, you got to deal with that. That's just not good for Ferrari. Go in the back, I'm going to put these seats back. See how fast they work? Look at that. They're going and going and going, and they're very fast. And they're still going. This back plate, this is also paint. I was back here redoing tint because it was a very dark tint, so we had to take it off. My shirt actually got stuck to the actual seat, and I was not very happy with it because I got black tar all over my shirt. That other side is worse, so we're gonna have to take all this off and refinish it. Same thing happened on these little luggage pieces. All of them are sticking. Like I could probably get some tar on my hand right now. Yeah, see all that black? That's from that. So then when you have tar on your fingers, you then touch this beautiful interior, and now you have black smudges like this. So you have to be really careful. You're gonna have stuff like this. I mean, on a clean interior, you don't want to have no black smudges. You got a Ferrari, who wants that? But other than that, I'm gonna put this fast seat back because it's super fast. I wish they would make a release that just opens it up. Well, let's keep going, keep going. But honestly, that is about it. Another problem they have that we already fixed is actually the seat bolster comes undone on these cars. We already tucked it in, and you have to tuck it in and glue it back. You got to know what the heck you're doing because you can actually damage the leather. That's a carbon fiber back piece that is pretty much a problematic area that it untucks, and whatever cheap Italian glue they used to glue these in, it wasn't really good. Because if you're a big person and you have the bolsters stick out more, you're going to pretty much make it untuck. But that is really it. Everything else about this car I love. There's maybe a couple other little things that I don't like, but we can look past them. Everything else is awesome. So, again, thank you guys for watching, and that was it. Have a nice day.